I'm Jeff Cuthbert. I'm the Police and Crime Commissioner for Gwent, and here I am at Gwent's Police Headquarters in Cwmbran. The purpose of this is for me to thank everyone who's engaged in youth work, and indeed the young people that play a part in youth work. Without you, we'd be a much poorer place. Giving guidance and support to young people at a critical time of their lives is so important in terms of building the good citizens that we need for the future. I've been a youth worker myself, and I understand the pressures that there are on people and how difficult it can be, especially when the funding isn't as much as it really ought to be. And I will always advocate that youth work is given much greater prominence in our public service. But in the meantime, I just want to thank you for what you're doing and to assure you that you are really valued and we care very much for all the work that you do. Thank you.